Oh my god. This is my 2018 Toyota Tacoma Off-Road 4x4. This is actually the stock form, stock suspension. I'm actually just shooting this video to show you guys how it looks stock before the lift and the new tires and the new wheels. So this is just a reference video. As you guys can see from my last video, we installed the lift kit on my truck. So what's next? Obviously got to get new wheels and new tires, right? So I'll let you guys take a guess what type of wheels these are. Comment below. Are you guys ready? If you guys guessed it, Method 703s, you are correct. So these are Method 703s and they are in 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. They do come with a new bead grip technology, which is Method's new patent design. You see those ridges? I guess it's supposed to catch onto the bead if you air down your tires. I've seen a video on YouTube that says that these should hold the bead where if you air down your tires as low as 10 psi, which is pretty good for non-bead lock tires. So I actually ordered these off of TireRack.com. Got them on Black Friday. On the Black Friday sale, it was $225 per wheel. And they did come with some free lug nuts. But of course, I would definitely recommend you get extended thread lug nuts. The reason being is because Toyota has really short lug nut studs. And so what this does is that it grabs on a few more threads than the ones provided. It's just a security measure, I would assume. This is for good insurance. You can pick these up on eBay for $40. And of course, I think these look a lot better than the chrome ones. I believe these wheels originally cost $255 now that they're not on sale. So the tires I chose to mount these on are 285/70/17 Falken Wildpeak AT3Ws, and they are in the standard load. So the reason why I chose standard load is because they do come in load E and load C. However, load E and load C are really heavy tires. But they do offer extra protection on the sidewalls. They have more plies. I'm assuming that's what it is. And they're a lot heavier. So, and I figure the standard load should be okay for me just for what I'm planning on doing with my Tacoma. Let me know down below if you guys like these wheels. I'm excited to have these installed today. Going to have these installed at Discount Tire. I would recommend you guys shopping at Discount Tire just because if you find a cheaper deal on eBay, they will price match that. And that's what I did. Found a really good deal on eBay and had them price match it. So it's going to come out to be $198 per tire. I'm excited. The new wheels and tires are on. I haven't seen them. My girlfriend actually went to Discount Tires for me. Thank her so much. I appreciate her. Scared, nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Method 703s. These are 285 7017s. Falken Wildpeak AT3Ws, which is about almost a 33-inch tire. The Bilstein 6112s, which is about still a 2-inch lift, or a 3-inch lift actually. And the rears, I have the Bilstein 5160s with a remote reservoir. I do have an all-pro Adeleaf, and I kept the overload spring in, so it gave me about 2 inches of lift in the rear. This is how it sits.